1 minute remaining till we get the FOMC meeting minutes.
Daddy, chill.
Hello.
Daddy, chill.
Ten seconds. So, in the FOMC meeting minutes, many preferred removing the easing bias from the statements, and the majority saw that a hike is likely warranted if inflation persists. So, the minutes show that many policymakers would have preferred to remove the easing bias from the statement, and the majority of participants said that some policy firming would likely become appropriate if inflation were to continue running persistently above 2%. Participants generally judged continued elevated inflation and uncertainty over the Middle East, which could necessitate keeping the current policy stance for longer than previously anticipated. A fewer number of participants judged that it would be appropriate to lower the Fed funds rate on clear indications that disinflation is back on track. Almost all participants supported maintaining the Fed funds rate range at that meeting. Participants generally observed the Middle East conflict could have significant implications for the balance of risks and the appropriate policy path. Several participants indicated that rate cuts would be warranted later this year in a scenario in which conflict was resolved soon and inflation pressures dissipated. Some participants were concerned about a scenario in which elevated energy prices and tariffs could result in inflation pressures becoming embedded more broadly, and Fed staff economic outlook projections was slightly stronger than the March meeting.
Alright, this is all we needed. Was the new news.
We have posted the FOMC meeting minutes on the feed for those interested.
Dude, what the fuck is going on with TikTok? There we go. Shit. Sometimes it's annoying. Dude, TikTok just work, please. There you go. Jeez. Jeez Louise.
In 5 minutes' time now, 10 minutes past, we're expecting comments from ECB's Sleegepen.
And I trombone. See. So they're stuck in the middle until the war's over. That's what I'm getting out of this. The feds. Waka. So what we're looking here is nothing. You got like a trend line here that it broke. That was a pretty wild candle though when that news came out, but it was nothing. A big nothing. Probably need to take out the high. I'm looking more for like 350s. 350, 350, 350. And then we'll see if it rejects there. It's not that far up. It's like right here. Let me see what it's like to have this over here. I want it to be on the other side. Ba- I like it over here. You guys don't like it over there, I don't think. And I trombone. Yeah, I hate it over there. I don't like it over there. Sergio! Dance to the dead! Yeah, I didn't trade that much today. I woke up at like, oh, I worked till 5 in the morning. And then I was gonna get up at 10:30 and I saw that it was just dead. So I'm like, I'm not gonna get on, dude. So I slept a little longer. How did you guys all do today? It didn't look like there was much. Now we're still just dead. Dance to the dead. Yeah, I'm trying to look in the back to see if anything appeared. Doesn't look like shit. Oh. Uh-oh. Mm. Cowboy! What's up, bro? Dance to the dead. Dance to the dead. Dance to the dead. Off with him. I did change this somehow. We need to change this. How are you, bully sir? I'm alright. I woke up at 10:30. I was gonna hop on for a bit. I worked till 5 a.m. But I was gonna, force myself up so the Tradeify shit. I go to look and the price action is just dead. I'm like, I'm just gonna get chopped up probably in this, so I'm just gonna stay out and come back on after 2 when the FOMC minutes comes out. No dots, huh? No dots. Yesterday was a lot. How about you? I woke up at 10:45 a.m. today. Did you? Oh, did you get paid or no? I know you said you blew something. Gold gonna blow? Oh, is gold moving or no? Whoa, gold. You've been busy, young man. Psych. I was looking at the wrong one. See if it denies like 540, 539, I mean. I've done it I think I got up to like 4, dude. And then I usually get cocky. But I gotta change my ways with that. I mean, it's the pre-FLMC. All right, we're there. So let's see what happens.
Iran's President Pezeshkian says Iran has consistently honored its commitments and explored every avenue to avert war. All paths remain open from our side.
Let's see. I'm gonna trade some gold here.
Iran's president says forcing Iran to surrender through coercion is nothing but an illusion.
Ooh. Let's change together, cowboy. How is that possible, Mallory? I don't think so. Did you like see it? I'll email them, but the gold. I've been staying away from gold for a little bit. Like actual codes? How's that possible? I don't see any of that on Apex. They are changing something though this week. They are changing something this week. I would love that. I would love that.
So that was Iran's President Pezeshkian commenting on X.
Well, he has a lot of. He has like 80,000 followers. The kid hustles at night. He really does, but he's no daddy at trading. You know what I mean? But he's getting there. He's young. He's probably gonna. He's gonna be fucking. Probably pretty wealthy from. All right, I am going to short now. Even if it goes up a little bit, I'm gonna short. Yeah, they just like, I don't know. Yeah, that's true too. They're like, yeah, do the go full port, bro. Go full port. Let everybody follow you. I'll ask them. I just got an email from them saying they're gonna have huge changes coming soon, so hopefully it's a little bit cheaper activation fee. That's what I'm saying. Like, Apex is good for, like, if you want to go aggressive in the beginning. Yeah, it's a little bit pricier. It's a little bit too pricey, though. It needs to go down to, like, let's say $90 activation fee, right? You get that 1 day glory, you pay $35. But, you know, you got to pay $125 once you pass. So I'm like, eh. But I like it because I pass, so it doesn't really bother me. But I can see how people get discouraged from that price. But they're the only one that's fucking offering 120 G's a month. Let's see. I'm gonna go for 536.2. Ten accounts for $60 activation. I agree. It all depends what you want. I feel like the 20 accounts that you trade on, that's for, like, you gotta be really confident and really tuned with yourself. Because that can get real pricey, you know. You fuck up and blow up 20 accounts, man. That's it hurts. Actually, no, I wasn't for a minute. Let me recheck. I woke up and I was like, wow, I'm not even in whatever. Let's see though. Oh, I'm advancing. Yay. I'm only at 939 now. That's crazy. I'm in a lot of profit too. It's not like I'm kind of just trying to survive, if that makes sense. How about you, Mallory? Let's see. Holy shit. Top first player has $33,000. I really just want to focus on like 500. If I could stay around that profit, so they're around 12K is the 4 to 500. I'm not that far behind. Yeah, I'm at 10,184. Isaiah, yo. What's up, brother? You blew yours? You could reset it 3 times, I think. But it's really going to be up to you, your decision, you know. It's, do you think you're going to be able to get there if you're not? Oh, yeah, long-term live, I'm not into right now at this point. I can make so much more money. Yeah, I'm in a Tradeify tournament. Daddy's going to put us on the map. I'm going for it. I'm just focusing on staying in the top 1,000 right now.
Smile on my face.
If you make it in the top 1,000,
A new text to Iran.
you know, if you didn't like full port it, you're a 1%er. It keeps fluctuating my score. So right now I'm at 900. I was at 400 last night. So I'm just kind of just chilling, taking my time.
Tasnim setting his source close to the negotiation team.
I'm gonna grind it out slowly. You know, if day 5 comes and people are fucking full porting, then yeah, I'm gonna have to be more aggressive.
And Tasnim further says that
Bang,
Iran
baby,
has received the
bang!
text and has not yet responded. Excuse me. To Tasnim saying Iran is reviewing the text and has not yet responded.
Bang right there. That was a nice win. So, in my opinion, I say if you're 1900, you're really not that far off, dude. If you want to be like semi-aggressive, if you see a good trade, and then on Friday, just fucking hammer it. I think that would probably be the key. Friday's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna have to watch it like a lot because if these fuckers start full porting and you see like yourself starting to like slip away, I'm gonna have to go in more heavy. Yeah, Friday we gotta watch, right? I just gotta make that 1,000. And then even what is it gonna say? Even like the yeah, that could be it too, Isaiah. So I'm cool with that too. So I gotta play it real safe. Hey Mallory, do you know if the 2500 resets every day, or is that just like a max loss? Like right now, do I have $10,000 in drawdown? Yeah, but I want to verse some of these motherfuckers. I'm gonna talk so much shit. I gotta make it entertaining. I gotta talk shit to these the big YouTubers that claim they make so much money, but they only edit and show their real profits. I mean their real wins. Daddy's coming for you. Well, in a live funded Mallory, after a certain amount of money, it stops trailing. Hell yeah, Isaiah. I hope to see you up there too. You got this, bro. You got this. If you're at 1900, you literally can make like $500 and be there. You don't think that's how it is? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe they made different rules. Because almost every prop firm, when you're live, is, after you make a certain amount, it stops trailing you. Top 1K is 9.9. Holy shit. What are you at? How much do you have to be at 1900? $6.4. So you need a good win. That's actually kind of crazy, the gap there. That is kind of crazy. Then you done 3 trades in 6.4K. It's pretty good, dude. Pretty really good. It's actually really good. I took like fucking probably like 70 trades. But I scout more. Oh, see, dude, you're doing phenomenal. You're doing really good. Honestly. Those are great hits. You might actually be okay and these fuckers blow it. You get another good $1,000. I think you'll be okay. Or at least close. Nice, Maverick. Just in time for that sloppy top, choppy price action. Me now, I'm just trying to grind it slowly. That's all I want to do. I'm trying to be strategic here. They said top 1,000 gets no advantage. You just move forward. You just move forward.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Mallory with the heart, thank you for paying my electric bill. Let's see if this rejects here. A little bit fucking weird price action. That's what I was saying, Isaiah. I mean, you know they full ported, right? And didn't close. But, dude, there's some really good traders out there that are camera shy, that don't do social media. Like, I didn't know how to do social media. I just picked it up and I'm like, I'm gonna try.
Futures settle at $98.26 a barrel, down $5.89 or 5.66%.
And I'm still struggling, to be honest with you, with social.
Futures settle at around $3.48 a gallon.
I'm still struggling with fucking social media. I'm trying. Like, sometimes it's easy, but then sometimes I'm like, I don't get, like, right now I got 8 people watching me. I love TikTok. I got 8 people watching me. It is a lot of fucking work. You do Etsy? That's pretty cool. What do you sell on there, Mallory? Trying to see if it wants this order block here. Or if it wants to rip up and take out this other one. Yeah, the algo is confusing as shit. What I really got to do is try to make some videos too. Alright, well, this is technically a short. Why don't I believe it, though? But I got to do it, because this is my strategy. I'm not going to go in too crazy. Looking for, like... I don't know what I'm looking for here. Maybe 290s? Maybe? Yes, I agree. Yeah, the algo is pissing me off too, bro. Mallory says, I draw on my free time and sell stickers, cups, and bookmarks. How do you do on it, if you don't mind me asking? I don't know, lately the shorts go a little higher than shorts. Yeah, it's been doing this. Yeah, I agree. You have the cool branding like the guy with the bull mask, but you just need to get out there. Yeah, I think, like... This is like what I was looking for, right? You know, it's a lot easier to be like, hey, the guy with the mask, the guy with the bull mask, yeah, he's doing it. And thank you, I appreciate that, Isaiah. I do. I wish I could put a little bit more time into it. I do have a full-time career, so it's like, ugh. Hey, maybe I make it so big in this that I don't need it. I don't know. I do okay. I mean, I work so the Etsy is, I don't know, 100 a month, sometimes less, sometimes more. So it's like extra cash, right? You're selling the shit you like to do for free. Not shit, but you know what I mean. I'm like out of breath. But I don't know why they're punishing me so much on TikTok. I got a TikTok agent, and he doesn't even understand. And I'm like, what the fuck? I mean, it's hard. I only say how much I make in my career just to like say why I don't go full time. I make $200,000 a year, so I'm like, that's guaranteed. Plus this is all play money. Yeah, I know. I do curse a lot. Are you? Why are you banned? See, TikTok is so sensitive. It got so sensitive. I literally have writing on my screen that says, "I love TikTok." Apparently, I'm in person. Wow. I hope you attested it, right? You know what's funny is that there's people that copy my full account and then I report them and there's nothing you could do. Ah. So if you want to, Isaiah, I joined. What did I join? The hell is this thing called? Atomic Agency. I just applied for it. And any crazy band like that, they can take care of as long as you're not a real scammer, you know what I mean? Atomic. It's ATOMIK. They have a Discord and everything. One NICU bill I got was more than your yearly salary, bully. You talking about a doctor bill? I'm confused. Yeah, they can help you get rid of that quick. They try to give me tips. They keep telling me to change some stuff, like money and trading, and I'm like, bro, I see like people with like 80,000 followers doing way worse than me. So I'm like, that can't be right. That can't be right. Can't be right. So, but they can at least help with those hefty bans. I wonder if this wants to top. See, you see this baby pullback? Like, what a loser pullback that was. With a monster rip up, huh? It wants this other one, you think? 345s? Yeah, my son, oh, sorry to hear that. Hopefully he's good now, Mallory. Yeah, that's a lot of money. That's one thing too that I have, Mallory, as I have they call it the Cadillac insurance. I don't pay anything. Well, I pay $1,000 a month for my insurance, but I don't pay anything if God forbid anything like that happens. Yeah, I can't, Isaiah. I have like ones where people like interact, and then I got ones where it doesn't even make sense, and the algo's pushing it back, or like my lives are really weird. You know, last year I had 600 people in here watching me every day, and now I'm struggling to get that 20. So it's very weird. Ah, it sucks, Mallory. I'm sorry to hear that. Well, hope he's good and healthy and is worth it, right? You don't mess with live accounts? Not really. I make too much money with prop firms. Wow, this one really ripped up. I'm gonna see if it denies here and I'm going heavier. But yeah, if I can change $100 into thousands, I feel like my risk to reward is amazing for that, you know? So there's no point of going to live if I'm literally taking pennies and turning it into thousands. Like, I think that's the best way to go. Now, if I go to live account, say I go with like 5K, right? And I lose that $5,000, then what? I'm maxed out. If I lose the $90, $100, it's okay. I got a lot more to go with, you know? So, definitely working to my advantage, prop firms. Sometimes people don't like that and they're better at live. Really gotta find your niche and your style too, you know? But honestly, I feel like these prop firms, you're either a good trader or you're not, or this is at least a good method to make yourself learn. Yeah. So 40K, yeah, that's a lot of money. So it really depends on what, you know, you're going for, you know? It feels more rewarding. Like, I've done both. I can do it. I just go a lot slower on live, where prop firms, you know, shit, last summer I had 50K months. I had $50,000 months last summer. It slowed down a bit. I had 12K January, February, I had about 12K. March and April was rough. March and April were rough. I think I'm doing much better this month. But I also sized down. Like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was making 10K a day, but losing it at the end of the day. And I'm like, bro, I'm fucking up. So I sized down a lot. Shadow! What's up, bro? On live, I make $200 in a day. I can say, hey, this pays for my gas, my rent, and everything else. You know, I guess it depends on how you look at it, right? $200 a day is pretty fucking great. But what if you went and did the Tradeify account and did the same shit? You know, the daily payouts. That would be cool too, Mallory. It's actually a pretty good idea. Because you would be more conservative with your live money, right? And then if you're copying it to your props, then who gives a fuck? Teach your strategy while trading. Most people will follow it if they can use it. Yeah, I have to clean that up a little bit. Shannon. I mean, I try to say what I'm doing the whole time. Right now, bully block. A bully block. It's an order block, but my style. So what happens if you have to have a fair value gap on the way down, and then also have a fair value gap on the other side that's going up. So, first candle that makes the swing usually is a different color. You draw that across, right? Now, what do we have here? We got a huge fucking hammer that rips into it, reverses, which got a reversal, right? And then we go to the downside. Starts to break, and now here we are. We're going to see if it continues down. Shadow, do you sports bet? No. Dude, sports betting makes me angry. The only time I sport bet is like fights. I just lost $200 on that Ronda Rousey fight. Every time you pass a prop 2, you'll be up 3K in live. Yeah, that's true too, yeah. True, I mean, it works. It just messes with... Yeah, so psychology is huge, right? I was copy trading like 8 accounts. And I was struggling a bit because I was fucking making 10K, losing 10K. And I'm like, ugh. So I sized down. So psychology is huge. And now, since you realize that, that's a really important thing to do. Got wicked twice today. Yikes. I hope you know the FOMC meeting was today, right? That's why they were waiting. And it's still, guess what the news was? Everybody waited all day for that 2 p.m. news, and what happened? They basically came out and said, we're not sure because of the war. When the war ends, we'll give you a better answer. I was aiming for 290. Yeah, around there. Yep, 290. I forgot to put it. But that is a 78%. Yo, Top Step made me be more careful, though, on who I'm picking. Because you know Top Step was... I don't give a fuck what they say. Top Step, how about this? We'll say this. Every day, when the market was perfect to make a lot of money, they had an outage. Every time. They knew what they were doing. You're only aiming for 290? Yeah, I'm more of a scalper. If it wants to go lower, then it can. I mean, we could easily probably go to... Shit, there's really not that many levels. Maybe it'll go down more. Let's see if we can get a It could break way lower. You're kind of right. Raju, I'm looking for 290s, but it could go way lower. You're right. It's just that price action is very silly, you know? Really silly right now. Isaiah says, I went full-time trading last week. I'm loving live accounts for futures and options on the side. So, it's definitely up to your psychology if you want to do that. In my opinion, I like having like a job so you don't stress as much. As long as you're not stressing, then you're chilling. If you're young, you're cool. But I'm an old fart, man. I got too many bills. But eventually, you know, we get big enough on this. Because you need that social media side in this. I guess if I went to a live count, yeah, I probably could. I'm in shorts. I guess you could fucking have an easier time doing full time. This just isn't fucking moving. Alex, do you see something further down that I don't? I see a choppy mess, so that's why I'm not really looking for too much. I mean, we could literally stop right here at 93s. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I quit the job because I'm young. I don't have much responsibilities. I think now would be the time I take the risk. I definitely agree. So, if you don't have kids, and honestly, like I would just live at home as long as you possibly can. Dude, life is fucking expensive. So live at home as possibly can and just build your fucking brand. That's what I would do. I had kids really young though, so I didn't take that. I couldn't take that route. 258. Yeah, you see how it just bounced? It's too unpredictable. I might have to look at gold again after this. Look at gold now, actually. The gold's moving. We would have actually caught a nice long there. Alright, let's try to make a lower high here. Hopefully, let's see if we can get out of this. MNQ. Just not moving, bro. Time to take the risk. I agree. You're making a good decision. But you always need a fallback too, Isaiah. You always need a fallback too, you know? Always. You should be doing 2 things at a time. I know it sucks, but you gotta hustle. Gotta hustle, baby. Not everybody makes it. Me? I might not make it. I don't know, but guess what? I still got this other high-paying job. This thing is so choppy. I'm looking to see if it popped below this trend line. There we go. I think it's going to go. Okay. I've been working since 14. I'm 18, so now I have a lot of money. Oh, dude, you're so fucking young. You got this. I believe in you. You started in a good direction, though. You know? You're hustling. You got it in your blood, baby. I like it. I like it. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. And we're almost there. All right. We're out. Oh, I still got one in. We're out now. Well, not bad. We're up $1,000. I need like another $100 though to make this qualifying day. You use the Dom, Cowboy ass. So the Dom, I prefer to use those on stocks. You can use them sometimes for futures, but just know that there's big dogs out there that put in fake orders. So I've seen 1,000 orders before just disappear like nothing. And it was just the fake out traders just to fucking rip it down, you know? I actually think now that I'm getting older and I'm realizing more about like liquidity grabs and how to fuck people, if you use it more to find liquidity zones instead, like if there's a lot of orders, aim for it to swipe it and then take it out. All right, Isaiah, later, bro. Does that make sense, Cowboy? So, like, if you use the Dom to see where a lot of orders are, let's see if they get swiped on purpose. And guess what? Most of the time, that's going to be a reversal area. You know what I'm saying? Guys, hit that follow button if you're not following. Help me out. I got 0 follows for today. I don't know why. You know? All I do is win, win, win. Just kidding. What, sus? Thanks for the share, bro. I appreciate you, man. I fucking love you, bro. I love you. Nah, thank you. Thank you. We finally broke out of this. I feel like we're gonna go up now. What, sus? Do you use it, Cowboy? So if you want to do it for liquidity, yes. I wouldn't do it for, like, you know, entry levels. No, what? When did you blow it? Like, right at 2 o'clock? This candle? See. Nostalgic? Yeah, I guess it is pretty nostalgic, huh? 2-minute candle. Wish I was in at 10. I actually got up at 10. Well, I got up at 10:30 and I said the price looked like shit. I don't know how I would have did. Let's see. Let's see at 10 o'clock. I could have probably got this short here. Right? Nice rejection. A doji candle to the downside. I don't know how much I would have got out of that. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, it would have been actually pretty fucking hard here, to be honest with you. Let's see. I honestly don't know how I would have did. Even looking at it in the back, it's pretty. Oh, this is a gray sun. Now this is nostalgic. This is maps. This is probably where I would have gotten a nice short. Let's see. They fucking missed it. Nope, I wouldn't have got it. I don't see, actually, I don't think I would have got that much, Mallory. Let's see, 4 hours ago? Yikes. The market was set up for a long there. It was beautiful. Yeah, I was up 700 on that eBell scalping for a few hours. Then it blew through my limits. Yeah, maybe I could have got that one, Mallory. The VWAP projection. That's about it. I don't know. They would have been tough. It's hard to like look in the past and be like, I would have did this. But I don't know. Hey, what? I don't want you to blow counts, but I hope you're using code BULLY, all caps. This isn't moving for donkey. Look at gold. Gold's still moving. Man, we missed a good long here, see? This would have been perfect. We might stay in gold today. Like, beautiful. Beautiful. No problem. Probably would have got 45, so good 5 points. They don't love you like I do. Martin, what's up? They don't love you like I do. Oh, no, I don't got Tradeify now. So, what are you picking what on Tradeify? Because I'm going to clear your mind right now. Like, what account? Martin. Oh, for the daily payouts. Okay, so that makes sense. If you're not doing daily, then Lucid is the way to go. Lucid's the way to go. It's cheaper, and it's 2 days to pass. No consistency rule after you go to funded. So, Lucid for sure. I'm hoping Lucid comes out with a daily payout. Just fucking do it already, Lucid. Just fucking do it, Lucid. Apex, we got an email. Apex is stating they're coming out with something big. So let's see. Dude, I see a long on this. I'm going to go 2 or 3 long. I'm going to go 4. Fuck it. What I'm aiming for, I don't know. I think I'm like 5.51. Oh, there's so many people that contact Lucid for it. Yeah, but funded in 5 days before payout. My record in 3 days on a funded. Well, yeah, it depends on what you're doing too. What? I do believe Lucid Flex is better, but then Tradeify's daily payouts are better. It depends on what you like. Sometimes the pressure's too much with the daily payouts. Oh yeah. We need just to rip up right now. What's better for daily payouts? Well, Take Profit Trader is the best for that, but it takes
Daddy?
5 days to
Daddy?
pass.
Is that you? Is that you?
And then there's a I stopped Take Profit Trader because I was gambling too much. Because they have that reset button where you can reset any account if it's live.
David Jones, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Have you tried Alpha Trader? I have not tried Alpha Trader. I do not like the rules the way they are. They definitely feel like too much of an edge for them for the house. I just don't like their rules. I've been offered pretty big well, I think they were agents asking me, to do alpha, but I don't like their rules. They're offering me like 15 counts a month to give away. I don't want it. I don't care. You can't buy my love, motherfuckers. You can't buy my love. Take your time. What? Take your time, brother. Ah, man, what the fuck's this gonna do, Gold? What are you doing, Gold? Confusing me. We got a nice rejection here. Let me put this other one on. Yeah, this is fucking bullish here into bearish. So it's like, which one's it gonna be? The stop loss app today? Yeah. I have more mental stop losses, but I know when I should be getting out. The problem is that I'll hold them to the wicks. But like I usually like to wait until the candle closes, because banks know where your stop losses are. They love to wick, soul grab you, and then go in the right direction. Happens over and over again. I like more of fuck you stop losses. Man. What the fuck's this doing, bro? Now it's fucking dropping. This might drop. There's too many levels here. I don't even know. It's still holding. See, that's a good one too, Mallory. So mine is kind of similar, but I gotta hold it until the candle closes. Like right now, if this candle closed below 545, 0.1 on gold, that would be like, hey, we need to get out probably. But what did it do? It wicked through, said, haha, fuckers, I'm going to trap your souls. And we just moved up to the upside. So, in my opinion, I feel like that's just my experience. My brain is fried. It doesn't scare me. If you can get back in, awesome. I don't get back in right away, so I don't know, I'd rather just invalidate me. I'd rather That sounds really awkward to say. I'd rather it invalidate me. I'd rather it insert me. Correct. Gotta figure out what your brain is. This is not MetaTrade. That's a whole entire different platform. My opinion, more used for Forex, but some use it for Forex indices. This is TradingView, but I have Tradevate connected to my TradingView. MetaTrader is good. Like, I used to use that. Like, that was my original platform for Forex when I first started, like 15 years ago. Trying to think what I was using. Forex.com? That's another thing, Mallory. I sometimes struggle with that too. I'm like, ah, this loss is so big. It takes so long for me to get it back. But guess what? Usually that means you size too high. It usually means you size too high. If you're still holding it, you probably size too high. And that's a learning curve to learn, you know? It takes time to get that. Yeah, pride, right. But also, like, you don't want to lose that time that it took you to make that money. I'm telling you, it's more time. Oh, micro? Okay. More that time you don't want to lose. Because time is the only thing that we are limited of. M&Q is sideways.
Reporting that the US government framework asks AI labs to share models up to 90 days before release. So Trump
It's
could
probably the
sign
way to
an
go.
executive order establishing the framework as early as Thursday, according to the information. So the White House briefed Anthropic, OpenAI, and other firms on the voluntary pre-release model review plan on Tuesday.
Bro, Anthropic is destroying the AI game. They are way ahead of the game right now. Insane. Insane. So, like, you know how you like to do Etsy, Mallory? You can literally type, you download the Anthropic, which is Claude Code. Say you didn't want to deal with any customers there. You can build a program by just talking to it, and it'll build it for you. You can have it do your transactions, your transfers, answer your emails. It can alert you emails that are important. List things for you. It's insane what it could do. Insane. That Anthropic was what the government was using, and Anthropic pulled the contract because they were using it against the other country's government, and they didn't want that. So, you know what? You got to respect them because they stuck to their morals, right? They didn't sell their soul. You don't trust AI? Either you trust it now or fall behind. Trust me. You don't got a choice. It's here. The things that it can do, you got to embrace it or fall behind. Too late. It's too late. It's already in. There's probably already thinking AI. Terminator will happen. The shit that I've seen now, I understand what's gonna happen. Antonio!
Daddy, chill.
No, I'm not talking about AI, which like with daily life. AI,
The article about the information on the feed for those interested.
in my opinion, I'm not sure. If you can make AI more emotional, then trading will be okay. But if AI starts to trade, there is no market because the market is full of emotions. Oh, dude, they know exactly what your moves are already. But honestly, if you're not doing anything like, I can't even say it out loud, really, really stupid, then who cares? You're nothing. AI is getting very expensive, correct. They're working on ways around it. So now I don't agree with this because I don't know what the long-term effects are, but China is putting the databases under the ocean. It's using the ocean to cool it down. Really cool theory, right? And it's working. But what is it doing to our environment, the poor fucking sea animals? I don't know yet. Just like those the wind turbines for solar, they destroyed a lot of animals. Maverick says, you just want that AI bot you could put in your dungeon. I do. I owe her a body, bro. Oh, yeah. It can, Mallory, for sure do that. But then that's going to come up with the company, right? The company's going to lose a lot of trust. I might close this, dude. This is going really grindish, and I'm green. I'm just going to close it. Really grindy. Look at MNQ. We might get another short here. You can refuse to start if you seem stressed. So it has its benefits and then it has its not. We even made it a law. They didn't make a law. I have one now. Are you trying to say they're trying to make it a law? My Cybertruck does watch my eyes to make sure that I'm not like fucking looking at East Bumblefuck. Gotta look into it. So far, I'm less stressed. I'm less stressed. And I didn't mean about the driving. Like, that's your choice. Who gives a fuck? That's your choice. I'm talking about business-wise. Daily life skills. Learning. Am I holding any NVIDIA? No. You know, I took a lot of my money out of the stocks. Like, I just got a lot of cash. A lot of it's in fucking crypto, unfortunately. I'm not proud of it. I'm usually, like, really good with crypto, but I'm thinking they're holding it off. They're not ready yet. They're waiting. I got a lot of fucking crypto. And I usually make a lot of money. I have Bitcoins at 6,000. I'm actually quite the opposite, Mallory. I'm literally the opposite of what you just said. I didn't get no COVID shot. Yeah, that won't go through, Mallory. There's no way. People won't buy it. Maverick Power Hour, let's rip. Let's see. Yeah, I am opposite. I'm the complete opposite. All right, here's a short. I'm not gonna hold this too long though, because I don't fucking know. Let me see where the next level would be. We could do like 328s just to be careful. Because you know it's been acting really weird, so just my opinion. We could do 4 out. And then we can go to 1 at, we'll try at the 60 levels. Like 320. You know, if it starts ripping up past this, I won't like it. Oh, great song. Great fucking song. They'll have to. They'll crash the economy if they don't stand up to that. Oh shit, this is a 30-second chart. Fuck. What'd I do here? I think I'm good, yeah. Alright. I don't know why I went to 30. We're still good. Oh, I went to 30 because I wanted to see what. Alright. 326. Then we'll do 321s. It actually could come all the way down to 300s. That would be beautiful. Just don't know. I don't know. Another level right here. 360s. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like it needs to come down a little bit. Mr. Bastard. Where is my mind? Is my mind? Fucking late motherfucker. No, I didn't get on until 2 o'clock. I was gonna get on early today, but the price action was shit, and I'm like, I do need some sleep. Yeah, you're probably cooked. Unless you do one micro and just keep doing it over weeks. What you mean you didn't get the COVID shot? Anyone who was shot died. That's what I was told. Yeah, I didn't trust that shit. I'm not anti-vax. I'm anti-rush. I'm anti let's see what company is pushing it out. I'm anti all of a sudden they didn't have the virus what did I say? They didn't have the cure, but all of a sudden they have the cure. I'm anti that. That's for sure. I'm not anti-vax though, but you know they're doing something to the vaccine now, so good luck. Good luck. Will you fall, piece of shit? Will you just fall? Really caca price action. We got this huge bully block in the 15 that we're in. I'm hoping we crash. Get a nice crash. I just can't tell. You see this? Look at this thing. Slow grind since 1 o'clock, all the way up, sideways. I don't know what this song is. Last night, he said. I mean, like, snipe. But your fees, you're probably going to be like $20 you're going to have. That's it. $20 of wiggle room.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Flex, thank you so much for the heart. I appreciate you. You the best.
Daddy, chill.
We're over here just trying to make some money. So, we have this bully block here that it's rejecting, right?
They say money
On the
can't
1
buy
minute.
happiness. Look at the
It's
fucking
done it
smile on
several
my face.
times. You rock, 10. You're the best. And a donut?
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the
Hey,
fucking
hey, you're not
smile
calling
on
me
my
fat,
face.
girl, right? Nah, I'm just joking. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
You're the best.
Daddy, chill.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Gonna be alright. And a rose. Thank you so much. More
They say money
donuts?
can't buy happiness.
Oh
Look at the
man, you're
fucking smile on
spoiling
my
me.
face.
You're paying for my electric bill. You need titles? Oh, then do it. Go for it, girl. I'm not complaining. What do titles do for you? Do they help you? Finger
They
heart.
say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Smiling. Oh, they're just fun to have, like a collection. Pet, someone loves you. I stop in Lex's live. I'll give her a couple gifts. She does a pretty good job. She a hustler, that's for sure. Gift gallery all week. Nice. Definitely. See? Yep. I'm starting to sweat in this treadmill right now, though. So what am I doing? What I'm doing is we're trading futures, right? So we're betting, basically we're betting that it's going to drop right now. We have a certain style that we trade. So this purple candle here that I have highlighted is where institutions like large banks put in a lot of orders to make it fall. So now it's going up and it's retesting that area, and we have multiple rejection candles. So now we're doing a probability that it's going to fall again, and then we will make profit when it goes down. Right now I made $1,050 for the day. That's not bad. Yeah, it's kind of like stocks, but just more advanced, that's all. We're day trading. But we're day trading and making a shitload of money. So hey, I like money. Where's the stop? The stop will be if the candle closes above this box here, the order box. It takes some time to learn. You know, you're actually like going against the best people in the world, but once you learn it, you know, it could be a pretty profitable career. But it takes a lot of patience, a lot of time. So, I mean, I've been doing it for almost like 15 years. So I got a lot of experience, and I like to teach, and obviously you get affiliate money from it. But this is like right now my side gig. I have my main career, and I got my side gig. This is my side gig right now. What's the difference in all the symbols search, for example, gold, and which should I choose? So MNQ is the Nasdaq, all the tech stocks. NQ is the larger one where it costs a lot more money to trade. MNQ is the baby one. I'm on MNQ. It's plenty of money. Trust me. Plenty. My main career is a secret. It's easier for me to hide my identity because of it. When I retire in a few years,
Daddy? Is that you?
I will let it out. Some people like to joke and say I'm actually the bank. I could be. No. You know how many times people ask me that? What do I do? I usually say how much I do make because it's incorporated with trading. So like I make $200,000 a year with health benefits, right? So I'm not gonna quit my my career to trade right now. Trade isn't always a guarantee, but that money is a good guarantee. So got to do both. Got to hustle, baby. What? Shh. I just hacked your computer. What? Mr. Cowboy, 200K. I own multiple donut shops. And I run a dungeon. I have robots in my dungeon right now. CIA? Yeah, right. I'm gonna have somebody come in. Maybe I am CIA. Maybe that's why I'm not saying anything. You never know. Oh, joke's on me? What? You don't have a computer? But Mike Johnson says it's legal to inside trade. What is this song? Secure. Mr. Bob, why do you think I know your real name, Mr. Bob? Why do you think I know your real name, Mr. Bob? Switch to gold. Gold's probably a little bit easier, but I think this dumps. We almost got a head and shoulders here to the downside. Lex, thank you for the share. I appreciate you. Mr. Bob. I already know your search history, bro. It's too late. Downloaded. Oh, hold on. Let me look up Lex real quick. 4 children. 4 children. You wanted to name one Lex, but your husband said, no, that's too close to your name. So you have your grandmother's name. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Is the information right? Cowboy, when is the earning? Oh, yeah, NVIDIA today. NVIDIA is today. Where was that from? I don't know. I got tools, you know what I mean? Could be CIA, you don't know. And glad I am on a VPN, pet. You would be. You would be on VPN. VPN, if you guys don't know, means like, say you live in Canada, it can show your IP address in China. But there's ways around that too. I was just choking, Lex. I don't really know. I took a guess. I know you're a mom. About it. Or maybe I know more. And I'm just backtracking. Because I'm like, she's on to me. She's on to me.
They say money can't buy happiness.
Mr.
Look at that
Bass.
fucking smile on my face.
Mr. Bass says, I need a VPN. I want to be from China. Lex, 50 populars. All right. I love TikTok. I love TikTok. I just want to let you know I'm jumping while on a treadmill. Very impressive. I love TikTok.
Google announces a new $15 billion infrastructure.
But thank you so
investment
much.
in
I
buildings,
appreciate it.
In Missouri, including a new data center in Florence.
You could put all the physics in the inbox on the
In
run.
the blog post as well, Google notes they're establishing a $20 million energy
I'm
impact
going to
fund.
fall if I do that. Bro, what is this going to do? Is it going to fall or what? What is the opposite to sugar daddy? Sugar mama. Oh, let me say it.
Will you be my sugar mama?
Daddy, chill.
Best on YT. The stock has been crap all day. I'm guessing it will tank the futures too. I'm thinking it's going to tank too. So what's been happening is Nvidia beats its earnings, but it's not by much. And it's showing a slowdown in the economy.
U.S. Treasury Secretary Bessent discussed Iran with the Qatar finance minister in Paris.
Let's see. I'm on my phone, mobile data with VPN, so none can pinpoint which toilet I'm on right now. Wow. So you're doing airstrikes inside the toilet. Pretty crazy. I would have fell on my ass. It does take, bro. I'm making money jumping on a treadmill while talking and thanking you guys and teaching at the same time. Are you not entertained?
Daddy, chill.
All right. Torpedoes, not airstrikes. What? That's gross. You disgust me. You sick man. This short doesn't want to go down. I know. I want to just drop. Was that a... No, cowboy. It wasn't a chick on the toilet. No. You are a sick maniac. I don't know. So many things going on. Robotic and AI. I think NVIDIA crushes it. I think they crushes it, but I don't think it's going to be as much as they expect. It's going to show a slowdown. They're having issues with energy cost. For sure. They're having issues with energy cost. Like it's outperforming and they will figure it out, but they're going back and forth. That's what I was talking about with China. China's building data centers underneath the ocean. That's their new fix, but who knows what the environment, it's gonna affect. Oh, Chris, stop being a scammer. $335. I need this to go down soon, though. Like, seriously, because I don't want to get stuck in MOC. If I'm stuck in the MOC, then I'm done. Utah is trying to build a data center here. Everyone's freaking out about it. So, have you looked at what the data centers sound at nighttime? People have been recording it. It's a slight hum. It hums. It's like, And you hear it throughout the town, and people are going crazy about it. Literally, they're going crazy because they can hear the humming constantly. Almost like a bug zapper. They don't tell you about that stuff. Cowboy says, why under the ocean? Because data centers take so much water to cool down. The process of cooling down, it's like a computer, right? A computer can overheat, but they need massive amounts of cooling to make it actually be efficient, or else it'll overheat and blow up. Could you imagine just the humming inside your brain? It's gonna make people go crazy. We got enough crazies out there. You got enough of me running around there with horns, you know what I mean? You want more of me out there? Oh, man. Here we go. Let's go on profit. So, yeah, that's, Cowboy. So, yeah, that's how they're cooling it down, but that can't be good for the ocean. I feel like that is actually global warming. Not what we're doing with the oil. That's like global warming. Like heating up the ocean. Dude, this thing doesn't want to go down, guys. Yikes. They have weird rules too. Like they secretly make like the citizens around in that state pay for it. Very thick. See, this is not good. We might actually have a loser here, guys. We gotta wait until it closes, though. I hate when price action does this. Look how big this candle is. It's huge. I want to stay green for the day, so we gotta watch. But I also don't want to make it covering the whole price. Let's see. Let's see how it plays out. $401, it'll dump. When does the earnings come out exactly? At 4:30. I won't be on for that. I have to get ready for work. I can watch it while I'm driving. I know it sounds bad. I have a Cybertruck. It drives me. So, it helps me. Whoa! Fuck, it's going way against me now, guys. You hear that? It's soul collecting. Oh my god, look at the soul collector. Yeah, it's gonna be weird. I don't know what it's gonna do, Mr. Bastard. It's been different every time. Remember that? You were with me trading it the one time where it just mooned for like an hour.
X says Trump told Israel's PM Netanyahu that mediators were working on a letter of intent that both the US and Iran would sign to formally end the war and launch a 30-day period of negotiations on issues like Iran's nuclear. So we did see a wick down in WTI oil there, also a bit of strength in S&P 500. As again, an Axios reporter really just repeating a comment that we heard earlier in the day, but just with a little bit more information.
Guys, Israel doesn't like what we're doing right now. It doesn't like what Trump's doing. He said it numerous times today that he does not want to let up pressure on Iran.
Saying that Trump told Israel's PM Netanyahu that the mediators were working on a letter of intent that both the US and Iran would sign to formally end the war and launch a 30-day period of negotiations on issues like Iran's nuclear program and opening the Strait of Hormuz. So again, this is an Axios reporter on X now citing a US source.
The market definitely sucked.
From it was I-24 News citing Israel PM Netanyahu's side of that same story.
Okay, yeah, so Israel is not agreeing with the U.S. at all. They're like pretending they are, but well, the USA is pretending they're agreeing. But if you actually look at Israel's news, they're stating bluntly that they're not agreeing with the USA. They want to kill them. Nico, only 180 today? Dude, it is a rough market. I've been in this trade waiting, but it's been going up and down. And Mr. Bastion, today you gotta bring your dog to the vet. Hopefully everything's okay, man. All right, in 9 minutes is MOC. That's when the Fed either takes money out of the market or injects money. Last few days they've been doing it crazy. They've been injecting 2 billion, taking out 2 billion, injecting 2 billion, taking out 2 billion. So it's huge moves. I'm gonna say they're gonna take it out. I don't know. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? This thing just keeps grinding, dude. Do you think there's like, it could be early release of NVIDIA? Ah, skin rashes. Yeah, a lot of these dogs get allergies now. It could be the food. Could be the food. My dog had the same issue. I gave it some spray and he's been good. What is this going on? We're still waiting for the price to drop. Now, I could be seriously wrong, guys, and this MOC candle could be gigantic. I don't know. You thinking they add money? What? Why do you think so? I might have to trade when I'm on the road for the NVIDIA release for Trade Seed because for Tradeify because some of those guys might make like 10 G's on that move. I don't even know. You got to risk it, right? Or hopefully they lose money. I don't know. Look at the 30-second. It's going to be chopped, bro. It's just a grind up and then sideways. Grind up, sideways. Five-minute, we're still Gucci. Just a 1 minute. Risk it for the biscuit. Yeah. Every time I risk it for the biscuit, though, I lose. But I might have to. If I want to make this tournament, if you guys don't know, the Tradeify is having a huge tournament. There's 32,000 people in it. Only the top 1,000 traders make it. I'm in the top 1,000. So I'm a 1%er, baby. The real tournament starts next week when it's 1v1s. If I can get paired against somebody big, you should not then, Lex. That's funny. No, I do all right. I was just messing. If I can get paired against somebody big, dude, and I fucking beat them, it's gonna put Bully Bears on the map. And you know I can. As long as there's a good market, I'm gonna do it. Man, this thing is not going down. I got 5 minutes for this thing to go down. If it goes up, it's going to be very dramatic for me. I need to at least take some size out. All right, so that wasn't a good rejection at all. We might have to close it. I don't want to close it, but I think we might have to close this. There's that bullish. But it's also on a bearish, too. Yikes. Yikes. 4 minutes left. Four minutes until MOC. Come on, Bo! Fall down. It's just been a weird grind. So I'm scared it's going to spike up. I can't handle a $1,000 loss right now for each account. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Now I'm praying. It's a slow grind up, so I'm thinking it's going to fall. MOC is when the Fed adjusts their books. They either inject money into the market or they take money out. So, like, the past few days, they've been putting like $2 billion in or taking $2 billion out. It's a lot of money. We did. But I didn't really hold it that long. It's just grinding. I think I'm going to be good, though. There you go. Here's a good song. See, where's my TP on this? 332 is to be safe. This song is fire. This is a good song. These nights now. I really need this to go down. You know what's gonna go down? But what if it spikes up? Yeah, 350 every day. Every day. It's got a minute left. I really need to make a decision here.
Marani, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Oh man, what to do? What to do? If it rips up, it's gonna really hurt me. Yeah, but if it spikes up like 100 points, I don't think I
1 minute now
can
until
hold
we get
that.
the market's on close imbalance.
Oh, it's coming back. I keep thinking it's gonna fall. I really do. But if this rips up, it's gonna hurt me really, really bad. All right, we got 10 seconds left. I'm either gonna cry or I'm not. We should probably do an FU loss. We're right there. Spike down.
Markets on close imbalance. S&P 500.
I think I'm gonna
sell
close
side
it. I don't give a fuck.
405 million. Nasdaq 100 sell side 400.
I closed it.
Million. Dow 30 buy side 111 million. Mag 7 sell side 172 million.
You got me tempted along, Nico. Oh, you little shithead. Okay, I took it out. See, it wasn't that big of a candle. Let's see what the happened here. I might be waiting for NVIDIA, guys. I'll let you know in about 30 seconds. Ah, would have been in green. Shit. I mean, I only took a $200 loss there. Oh, yeah, I'm green on trade C. All right, I'm going to close it. Close it. They're all out. Ah, here it is. I was right. Clown trading. Expose FX. Can you please just battle me? Please. Please. I was born like this. You don't have to be mean.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? William, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I got scared. Look, it held this, guys. Not work the crap. Oh, wow. You're hurting my feelings. I'm kidding, guys. We all know who's Alpha Daddy. We're going to see how it reacts here at 362s. 362, guys. Would have been a great long at that bottom, huh? It really held off nicely there. Just difficult. Good song, too. Looks long, could be a short. Yeah, that's how I feel right now, Mallory. You know what? I'm cool with this. We're still green. I do want to be more green on my fundeds, but I don't want to lose money either. You know, if it takes me an extra day or two, then who cares? Frauds hide themselves. How do you know, like, I'm not trying to hide my... Everybody thinks I'm CIA. There it is. There's that long. I would have got... Actually, I would have never hit my area, would it? I don't think it would have. Look at this thing. This thing is crazy, dude. He's CIA. He has to. Exactly. Mrs. Powers. You went long? Ooh. Maybe you're catching on, Mallory. Maybe you're catching on. Yeah, but the MOC was let's see, 368 down to... It wasn't that big, to be honest with you. Let's see what it was, because I couldn't hear him for some reason. It was only... They only took out 452 million. You know, just a drop in the ocean, guys. $452 million. But no, they usually... The big moves are like 2 billion. It wasn't that much. I think they're really waiting for to see how Nvidia does. Guys, on Discord, I'll be I can only text while I'm driving. I'm not gonna go live at 4:30 when the earnings come out. I wish it was earlier. It's not. It's not though. It's usually at 4:10, but it comes out at 4:30 Eastern. Annoying. Let's see what I am on this tournament, guys. I'm 872 right now. I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. I think it wants to go up. I'm going to scalp it. Okay, 1355. What's your profit on the tournament? I'm up 10,500. 10,500. Dude, there's some people that are up like $30,000. I don't know if they just winged it or what. Hey. 5 more minutes until the stock market closes. Futures close at 5 p.m. though. 30K is like riding the whole day in a trade. You know what's crazy is that you got to close it every day by 5. So they must have just... I don't know if they're awesome or they just got lucky. We'll see. We'll see in the tournament. I just want to beat some big people, man. Put my name on the map.
X, Iran's Persian Gulf Strait Authority reveals a controlled maritime zone.
Yeah,
in
that
the
would be
Strait of Hormuz.
crazy. Asia and on. And there's only a $2,500 drawdown, so it's very impressive what they did. Man, I want to fucking buy this. I just want to end it green. I'm not really seeing anything. They ride it through Asia, what, until end of day? They probably got a nice, like, pullback, like Fibonacci. They'll do, like, the 78% pullback, and then they'll hold it until the following day, if they get lucky. Ooh, I like this song. End your day green, right? It's probably worth it more. Because it's been a rough market. Even though that would have been a banger trade right there I was going to take. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. This is very low. Everybody's waiting for NVIDIA. They really are. If you guys don't know what NVIDIA is, most of your computer chips in your computer, your laptop, it's being run by NVIDIA, most of them. They're huge. They're the biggest company in the world right now. So everybody's looking at NVIDIA. Now, if NVIDIA starts to slow down, they're still going to make $100 billion, whatever it is, right? They're still going to make that. But if it shows any kind of slow, like a slowdown in the economy, it's going to crash the market more. For sure. I don't want to short this. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Shit. Not my fun to do the Tradeify. Wow, that was a really short song. Might blow up.
So the authority sets the zone as the line connecting Kuti Mubarak in Iran to the south of the UAE's Fujairah at the eastern entrance of the strait, to the line connecting the tip of the Keshim Island to the Al Quwain at the western entrance.
Come on!
So in this post on X, they note that transit through this area,
This is my stress ball,
through the Strait of Hormuz, requires coordination with and authorization from the authority.
I stole this for my kids. It's like a squeezy thing. I told them I need it more than them. Already popped it though. What's this thing called? A Nido. A Nido. Okay, market is 4 o'clock, so you're gonna have some little weird whiplash here. What do you guys think? You think the video's gonna go up at 4:30? I can't be on for it. I really wish I could. I have to get ready for work. There we go, baby. Come on, give me that. Give me that $200. 200. Let's go. Boom! I needed this. I needed that. So we should be set up for at least. Let's refresh this.
Goldman Sachs shares jumped 5.8% to a record. It's the most since April 2025.
533. How much money I got in this? Okay, so we should be ranked probably like 700. But we're gonna have to trade. See, this is a big candle. Makes me want to go long. just for a scalp. Okay, I got it already. Okay. All right, guys, let me do my closer. The two top firms that I use is Apex and Lucid. If you want the latest and greatest discounts, use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. Lucid is running a 50% off right now. 50% off. Pretty damn good. And the more you guys use my free code, the more free accounts I can give away. Friday, we'll be doing another giveaway. 1 out of 10 Apex? No, I like Apex. I'm getting paid by them. I'm going to post my payout really soon. I just want to make sure it hits my bank. So far, it got approved instantly. 1 out of 10. I'm going to say a 7 right now. If Apex would lower their activation fee, I'd give it an 8 or 9. Maybe a 6 now. If they upgraded, I'll give them a 7.5 or an 8. Their activation fee is a little bit high. It's a little bit high. But they're the only ones that you can make 120 G's a month, guys. The only ones. So that's why I like Apex, yeah. No, Apex, you can have 20 accounts. You can have 20 accounts. You can make 120 a month. It's a lot of money. And Lucid's got 50% off, so I think it's like probably like $55. Really not bad. Take Profit Trader makes me gamble too much. I don't like it. Well, Apex, you can get 20 accounts. You know, times 2,000. It adds up really fast every 5 days. Yeah, exactly. It can add up really quick, Martin. Let's see. What else? I got a free Discord in the bio. If you want access to my indicators, totally up to you. You could join my VIP. It's a 30-day free trial. After that is $1 a day. If you're not following, hit that motherfucking follow button. And all you guys have a blessed night.
Holy Bears is out with doses.
I'll try to be on tomorrow. Same time, 10:30, 11. And then we'll go from there. And then Friday we'll be doing a giveaway, so make sure you tune in, alright? Can you hit the follow X2? Of course you can. You didn't see that extra button on top? X2. And thank you for all the gifts, guys. I really do appreciate it. Lex was blessing me. 4:30 is the earnings, so please be careful if you're in it. It's going to be monster candles. I'm talking about 100-point candles, so please be careful. Please be careful. Other than that,
Bears is out with doses. Have a good night, guys.
and I'll be talking in Discord too. 4:30 is NVIDIA earnings. Now I got to get ready for work, unfortunately. But my car drives itself, so I can trade the earnings. All right, boys and girls. Later.